Hi there, welcome to Introduction to Your Automobile. I'm here to show you the basic things that you need to know about your automobile in your car, okay? First important things we should go over is this, the mirrors. Okay, make sure your mirrors are intact. Make sure they're not cracked. Make sure you're able to move them. The rear view mirror and the side mirror. And of course, your seat belts. Make sure you have your seat belts working in an operating condition where you could use them and you could pull them. Okay? Next thing we're going to go over is just the basic things you need to know about your dashboard. This is the fuel door. You have the arrow here pointing to where the fuel door is, and I'll show you that when we get outside. Miles per hour and pH. Okay, so when you're driving down the street, you see state limit, the speed limit rather, 30 miles per hour. You know that the needle, you need to take the needle to here. Okay, revolutions per mile. Not a big thing on your test, you need to know. And also we have the temperature gauge. I'll tell you more about that when we go under the hood. Here is your hazard lights, and there are many different uses for your hazard lights. One of the uses is, for example, that maybe your tire might be flat, your engine is bad, and you're waiting for a service truck, funeral procession. There's many different uses for that. Okay. Also, we have the horn in the middle. As you see, the indicator, the horn. This is your signal. That's for left. This for right. This is for the lights. All cars are different, so you have to look on yours to see how your directionals are, whether it's on this side or this side that I just pointed here. Okay, this is the windshield wipers. So I'll show you how we conduct that. I have to turn on electrical power. This, of course, is the ignition. So here, there we go. This is the windshield wipers. Okay. And here we have the air controls. That's for cold. This is for hot. Here's the different levels. AC, defroster, etc., etc. Ready, of course. This car is what you call manual transmission, or in other words, what they call stick shift. Okay, so I show you how it works. Instead of an automatic transmission that most cars are, this has 3 pedals. So I'll show you right now. Right here to the far left is called a clutch. You need to know how to use this as far as turning your automobile on. If you don't press the clutch down all the way, your automobile will not turn on. Here's the usual brake, and here's the gas, or in other words, they call the accelerator. Okay. These are the seat belts in the back. Seat belts there. Okay. It's a pretty simple car. So again, all of them have different all of them cars that you use are different. So you need to familiarize yourself with all the panels, all the main panels in your car. And of course, here we have the door, just to lock it, and this is a roll handle, which is something you rarely see these days. Okay. Next thing we'll do is we go over the inside of the hood. See you next segment.